A beginner on Upwork can make $0 in the first month or land a $500 client in the first week, and the difference usually has nothing to do with talent. It mostly comes down to niche, profile setup, and proposal quality. By the end of this, you'll know what people actually make on Upwork and what changes those numbers. Here's the short answer. Upwork income is not fixed. It depends on what service you sell. A beginner doing simple data entry might charge $5 to $15 an hour. A beginner video editor might start at $15 to $40 an hour. A copywriter could start at $20 to $50. A web developer can often start higher depending on skill. That's why asking, "How much can I make?" without a niche doesn't mean much. Now let's break it down. Month 1 usually looks slow. Most new freelancers spend more time applying than working. If you send 30 proposals and get 2 replies, that's normal. One client at $100 to $300 is often enough to build momentum. That first review matters more than the money. Month 3 looks different. If you've got 3 to 5 reviews and a stronger portfolio, rates usually go up. A freelancer charging $15 an hour who works 20 hours a week makes around $300 weekly. At 40 hours, that's $600. Raise that to $30 an hour, and the numbers double. That's where most growth happens. Now, the top end. Experienced freelancers in specialized niches like SaaS copywriting, paid ads, or app development can charge $50, $100 or more per hour. But that usually comes after proof, repeat clients, and better positioning. Not day one. Here's what lowers income fast. Low quality proposals. Weak profiles. Applying for crowded low budget jobs. And chasing everything instead of focusing on one skill. That slows everything down. Here's what raises income. Picking one niche. Writing custom proposals. Getting one strong testimonial. And increasing rates after every few completed jobs. That compounds fast. So what's realistic? For beginners, the first goal isn't full-time income. It's getting the first paid job. Then the second. Then better rates. Quick recap. Your niche controls your earning potential. Your profile controls trust. Your proposals control replies. Your next step is simple. Pick one service and 10 tailored proposals this week and track the results. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more freelancing breakdowns.